Surrogacy is a reproductive arrangement between a woman, that is surrogate, and another woman that cannot conceive or carry a pregnancy. So a surrogate mother carries and delivers the baby for another woman that cannot carry a pregnancy. So it's like borrowing a womb for a woman that cannot carry a pregnancy. The baby is genetically yours, but the womb is borrowed with love. If you want to know more about surrogacy, keep following us. We will post all the queries about surrogacy.
Menteri Ketenat Transport ke Jelam Meghalaya ubah senyau Balangdhar ulapan pau bag sarkar kalong kebakloi ban pediang badekran halor kijing kiba ki nong kamai ya ki arsyaka na ki bike taxi ki kendo. Kani kalong hadian bagi police enforcement kilabat bat dan kuna ki kato kani kinong kamai bak kinongnya jong ki arsyaka. Dali ya kendo ya district transport officer bandawa ban penyo yala ki permit nang kinyo ban kamai lat luoj. Haba kerani kilat patai kubor ka apunyo trik ujemang arhajar arpun riau menteri uliatho bakala bandai badan ki company ki buan nabar ke jela ki baklempat dia trading license dan nila bandai bagi nong kamai ki empat biang ki kot kisla ke badan kam ke penslam ka tenat ban ai ke permit yaki ular ban pentingna bah halor kan ni kamat anda ulayo ban kendo yaki ha katayo banwan balada ki kot kisla ki labiang baro ulong bon sabetha ki officer ban ai no ya ka license mardor. Ubah senyau Balangdhar ulah kedau bagi sarkar katmu banyarap iki kun samla bani okam ni ojam bat kesngo kemen iki baseng kam lajong. Namar kata ke sarkar kala syemikarai ban ai permit tang yaki company ndriwat ki riusimet ki bakwa ban kamai apa deng gejing struktur bagi dipat ban board yaki an bat ki kendon ki badan.
Kajisha Transport Department is open for everyone. Ngalayok belum mulai kata handai don bat katu ko ni ki kerja company ko wan imat don come for getting license saban I permit imat don nakim pat don getting license teh but I'm not very sure makila apa appointment yang apa peli tengah I'll give them appointment maybe next week nama hang teh ngimong teh ya gitu min I license ya gitu pun no we are here to help our beloved people kalau isa don ikut Islam pat biang dia kata kena biasa kalau dari sisa subuh mentan halor biang ikut Islam ni mai. No, I won't allow. I will stop my officer immediately to issue immediately only. Karkum gajing tip bangayo wur man kin have produce imat ya ketin license. Nata will process for the license from the transport department.
Kita nak ikan hon patma ke papa ni ka individual permit ka
And everything is free. Namangal de ay garay kun hunay group ni ay berokan. Ada berai, nado kini berai. We are not selected to ABCD. Ngakwa bagi kun samla jong state berpikir ni okam. Very good. Ni pan. Don kebakamai lembaga 2 wheelers. Don kebakamai lembaga tourist vehicle. Don kebabu dekat restoran. Don kebatreh pa hotel. You see, ni hang ni don banyarap ikun samla jong. Hane yes, there is a law we have to follow as per the procedure. Murni pun cutom you know, yes, if there is any lapses, they can come to me directly as a transport minister. No issue, my doors open. I'm here to help them. But there is a way to help.